Hello everyone. I will show you a platform where you can actually invest. You can make free money by investing. You can actually make $200, $400, even $10,000 a day. Just follow what I'm going to show you on the video. Please watch till the end for you to know how the app works or how they trade in the app. Okay, you can invest the amount of money you actually want to invest. If you want to invest $50, $100, $200, even $1,000 you can. So I'm going to invest $1,000. Okay, I will sell it, and you can actually sell and buy. So I'm going to sell confirmation of sell. So when I sell, it is 2 times the money. So this here you can see here. That's it. That's it here. People are also trading. And you can actually choose the level in which you want. So right now it's actually in 400. If I want the 50, put it. That's it. The money I've increased, that is the money that you invested times the level, which is going to give you the total amount of money which you have made. As you can see, that's actually how this platform works. The money that you invested times the level in which you actually want, that is the money that you are going to have in your account. That's the level there, the low level. That's it. And you can also buy. So, nice. That's it. I'm just on buying that amount. Is it here? So that is actually how it works. And if you want to withdraw, you come here, withdraw. These are the various methods in which you can withdraw. Right now I don't actually have anything in my account. The reason being why the game is still on process. So